So I had people asking me if these were good. You sure you don't want one of these?
Okay, can we play the next round?
No, only now.
Yeah,
They're good.
not. Yeah, no.
I'd say they're pretty good.
Setting it up.
Hold on a second.
Make her good for you.
I'm talking about these right now.
No, I don't.
They're good, Mommy.
What do you think?
I think they're good.
What do they taste like?
They taste like bananas.
A little bit, right?
Huh?
Are they sweet?
Huh?
This one's mine.
No, mine. Mine.
Okay, here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I'd say they taste really good. They're sweet.
They're hard to bite.
They're very crunchy.